In case of a rack and pinion steering mechanism, two types of gears are used. One is pinion, a circular member, and a rack, a horizontal member. The mechanism I am going to demonstrate with the help of this model which is available with me right now. If you see this particular circular member having teeth on its periphery is a pinion which is rotating in nature, which revolves, and it is in mesh with the horizontal member known as rack. So rack and pinion, meshing of the teeth on pinion with the teeth on this horizontal member rack gives motion to the wheels either on this side, left side, or on right side. So from this particular side, a steering column, steering shaft will be there, then steering wheel will be there. So when driver rotates the steering wheel, see, the pinion gets rotated particularly, and this pinion is in mesh with the rack. That's why rotating motion or rotary motion is getting converted into linear motion to and fro. So this is a very simple demonstration of rack and pinion. So whenever driver rotates the steering wheel, due to the rotation of the pinion which is in mesh with the rack, the motion gets transmitted to the front wheels. So this is all about the rack and pinion. Now this is the actual model of rack and pinion steering mechanism, manual steering. You can see particularly this is model from our laboratory, automobile engineering laboratory, where rack and pinion steering is mentioned. So one by one I will show you how exactly rack and pinion steering works. So this is the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. Then a steering column. Inside this steering shaft is there, and at the end of this particular steering shaft, steering gear is there. At the end of this steering shaft, steering column, steering gear is there. Now our aim is to see the rack and pinion. See, these are the tie rods. On this side one tie rod is there, and when particularly this is another tie rod. So when steering wheel is rotated, see, when steering wheel is rotated, due to the rotation of steering wheel, steering column, that is steering shaft, gets rotated, and at the end of this steering shaft, steering gearbox is there. So inside that the rack and pinion mechanism is there. So due to the rotation of steering wheel, column gets rotated, and due to the rotation of column, the pinion which is at the end of this particular shaft, which is inside this, I will open it for you people, comes in contact with the horizontal member rack. So this is the horizontal member rack which has teeth as well as pinion which is circular in nature, has teeth cut on its periphery. So see, when steering wheel is rotated on left side, how the movement of front wheel is taking place. So now I will open this